Hello, my dear pharmacy friends. In this video, we're going to see vacancies from Lincoln Pharmaceuticals Limited. So they are hiring for the following departments for cartridge unit and Mahasana unit. So for two units, they are hiring for their growth plans. The address for this walk-in interview is Lincoln House behind Satyam Complex, Science City Road, Sola, Ahmedabad. So the date of walk-in is on 7th May 2023 Sunday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. So here you can see the detail production OSD. So operator, officer or senior officer, ITA, B.sc, MSc, B Pharma, tablet, coating, compression, granulation, and primary and secondary packing, OSD, operator, officer or senior officer, qualification is ITA, diploma, B.sc, MSc, B Pharma. Section tablet and ointment, dry syrup, blister, and experience 1 to 5 years for quality assurance. So experience is 1 to 7 year, B.sc, MSc, B Pharma, M Pharm, and quality control officer or senior officer. So BSc, MSc, B Pharma experience 1 to 4 years is required, and likewise ADL officer, senior officer, executive, BSc, MSc, B Pharma, M Pharm 2 to 6 years experience for Mahasana plant, ADL and QC at the departments. These are the details. Thank you for watching.